Hey, everybody, it's Nita. Going out to the Chick Shack. It's May 8th, Mother's Day, 2022. Wow. But let's go check out all the rain we've had. Well, it's a beautiful day out in Lake Borson. Oh, I don't know if the yard will ever dry up. But I can't feel too bad. The neighbors' fields are still wet. I guess that's because we had so much rain and snow. Just thought I'd try and get a video of the wall, but it's kind of in the shade and sun. See if anybody recognizes their tiles. Beautiful artwork. Well, it's May 6th. Beautiful day out. Chickens are enjoying their feed, drinking their water. Got a few containers that need to be cleaned out from winter. But it's still muddy. Part of their pen is just a disaster. But that little leghorn, that little Issa Brown, their backs are still not healed up. Afraid they're going to get sunburned now. Over aggressive rooster. Yep. Here's a funny little comment on observations. Up by Mom's tree, I thought, wow, isn't that odd that we still got one little pile of snow out there? Well, I should have filmed it when I walked over there, but it's not snow. It's a feed bag that has been in the sun and is kind of pasty white and literally just caught on a weeds. Yeah. Oh well. Hey, Shadow. What you doing? Well, Shadow and I are sitting out on the deck. It's 37 degrees. And, yeah, I'm sitting in sandals. Yeah, what do you know? I just thought I'd just come out and enjoy the day. I've got some garbage to burn. Got the cat litter. Thank you to my brother and sister-in-law. I appreciate it. And, of course, you know, got to have 2 kitties. What do you think, Shadow? Oh, I forgot to also mention them. Got my knee brace on and my shorts. Yeah. I don't like to be dressed too warm when it's 37 above. I do have my old sweatshirt on, though. Don't want to get a chill. Also forgot to mention that I used to mark on the end with a piece of masking tape to sell by end date when I was getting 2 dozen eggs a day. But I don't do that so much anymore. I gotta figure out this camera angle business. Uh-oh. There's our little feline. Hey, buddy. Say hi to everybody, Tux. Yeah, say hi. Oh, you smell the dirt on my hands? Yeah. You smell the dirt? Yeah. Yeah, I know. He's our little kitty that showed up in the yard one day a year ago in December. Just a little guy, a few weeks old. And Nikki decided to bring him in, and we've had him fixed, and he loves to sit in this big window on my table. So he's a little over a year old now. He's a little pest, but he's lovable. And yes, he's almost all black, except for a very white patch on his chest. And that's why we call him Tux. Like a tuxedo. You got something to say, everybody? Yeah. Those little blue Swedish are quite noisy little bunch. Yeah? Yeah, what do you girls want? Hmm? There comes Daddy Gander. Oh, well, I don't know if ducks are called ganders. They're called drakes, aren't they? Yeah. Don't you look at your little pretty puffball heads. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Yeah. What are you doing back there? As you can see, the yard is a mess. Wind was blowing stuff around as it dumped a lot of water. Everything was just about dried up. And now we're back to giant lake out here. I'd moved the chickens hoping that it would just dry up, but it's just no luck with that. And yes, I do have boots on. Can't get through this otherwise. Everything's all blowed around, and what a mess. Well, chickens got their feed, and ducks are over ducking in the mud, as they'd like to. I could care less about feed as long as they got mud. But everything is full of water again. It just gets old. Checking for some eggs. I think that's the leghorns. It's pretty white. I just took a couple out of the top already before I started filming. Because, yeah, sometimes I don't remember to push the button. Oh, well, it's alright. Alright, I'm going to put the eggs in that I brought in. I think that's the leghorn. One of our either Buckeyes or Rhode Island Reds. This one is kind of oddly pointy. I just don't know about that one. It's kind of strange shape for an egg. But it could be, we have what they call Brahma lights that may lay white eggs, but they can lay this color tan too. Oh, got some wood shavings stuck in poop on that one. Oh well. Oh, so there we go. 5 eggs. That's the average I get every day. I don't know, I've got, what, 10 hens and 1 female duck, and, or, no, 8 female ducks. Oh well. I can't use all the eggs, so if you know of anybody that wants some, just call me, let me know. Get the word to me.